Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K30S, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, you have to open your contacts. You have to select contact which you want to add a photo. Then tap edit account. Then tap on the camera icon to add a photo. Then you have an option to take a photo or to select a photo. Select photo. Then you have to adjust it, tap OK, and then tap save, and photo will be added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.